Have you ever used these two? Coconut oil with turmeric powder. These two will transform your skin. Like seriously, you just have to give it a try. You see it for yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thanks so much for stopping by. In this video, like today's video, I'll be telling you how to mix some ingredients together to achieve great results. So this will do so many good job for your skin. After this, you'll be so happy you did. So I mixed some kitchen ingredients to achieve great results. Any age can apply this remedy and you get results. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you have not. Like this video and also share this video. Let's go. Do you desire a flawless skin? Do you want to have a spotless skin? Do you want your skin to glow naturally without makeup? Try this remedy. You'll be so happy. So what I added here are just about 4 ingredients, but the major ones are turmeric and coconut oil. They work greatly. So the first ingredient I added here is turmeric, and that is because turmeric contains powerful antioxidants that will help to get rid of some signs of aging that makes your skin age faster. So turmeric will also brighten your skin. We help to get rid of blemishes, pigmentation. We help to get rid of some dark spots. Even if you have stubborn dark spots, it works. So another one I made use of is coconut oil. Coconut oil is highly moisturizing. If you have severe dry skin, if your dry skin is leading to wrinkles, you know, some people, they have dry skin and it's giving them wrinkles, making them to develop early wrinkles. You have to try mixing coconut oil with some ingredients I'll be listing soon to get rid of those wrinkles finally. But this is by being consistent. You have to be consistent with this, using it and using it the way I will tell you, so that it will work greatly. The work of coconut oil here is not only to moisturize, it will also help to soften and get rid of hard, flaky skin. It glows the skin as well. You will love it. So the next one is cornstarch. I don't joke with cornstarch. Cornstarch is very good when it comes to firming the skin. It has to get rid of sagginess. If you have saggy jaw, saggy skin, or saggy neck, cornstarch will help to delay it or get rid of it gradually, but with time you will not see it anymore. So when it comes to wrinkles and fine lines, I don't joke with sugar. I always add sugar, even if it's a little, and that is because sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid that helps to supply hydration to your skin. Like if your skin is dry, if your skin is flaky, if your skin is hard, it will help to soften it and make your skin glow. I love it a lot because this is something that helps your skin to get brighter, get rid of dull skin. It exfoliates your skin really well, so you can call it a good exfoliant. Very nice for the skin to get rid of dead skin cells that makes your skin always look dull. So try to get sugar. So in case you have sensitive skin, you can opt for brown sugar instead of white sugar. So I just love any of them. They all work greatly. So after getting all these ingredients, do not forget to get your Vaseline. As you can see, my lip is highly moisturized. Like this is something that softens your lip. It helps your skin if you have dull skin. It helps your skin if you have dry skin. It makes your skin glow. Like if you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, you can make use of Vaseline. But it depends on how you want to apply it. Like you can see, mine is almost finished, and that is because I don't joke with Vaseline. I don't use it as my overall moisturizer, but I always apply it on my feet and my hand to soften, to hydrate it, to moisturize it, on my lip as well, to get rid of dry, flaky lip. It helps greatly. So do not forget to get Vaseline. It works greatly. So this is the measurement. I added 1 tablespoon of turmeric because I want to get my skin brighter in a natural way. Of course, there are some times that you notice that your cream is no longer working. You want something that will brighten your skin. You want something that will make your skin glow. You have an occasion you are going to, and you want something that will make you look good, even if it's 2 days or 1 day. Think of turmeric. It works. So I just want to brighten up because I have an occasion. Okay, so I added 1 full tablespoon, but in case you want it gradual, you can just add like about half tablespoon or half teaspoon. So I added 2 tablespoons of my sugar because this is the major exfoliant here. I want to get rid of dry flaky skin. I want to get rid of dead skin cells. So I went ahead to add cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of it. Then I added coconut oil. Because I have an oily skin, I just added just a few drops, about 5 drops of my coconut oil. It's just to hydrate my skin to prevent dry skin. Okay, so the next one I added is Vaseline, but I'm going to tell you when to add Vaseline. Just continue washing. What you have to do is to use rose water to mix. You know, you need something to mix together so that it can form a paste. Of course, if you don't have rose water, you can use a boiled cold water, distilled water, little by little, so that it will not be so watery and so that it will not be so thick. If your remedy is so watery, just increase the quantity of cornstarch to thicken it. If your remedy is very thick, just add more water or rose water and you're all good. Just go on and mix together until it forms the way you want. And after that, you have to remove all makeups and dirt. I don't have makeup on my face and I'm just loving it. I don't like applying makeup at home, and that is because I want my face to breathe, and that is because I don't have dark spots. There's no use applying makeup at home. I don't see any use when you have a clean face. So wash your face, remove all makeups, then go on and apply this wonderful paste on your skin. So I'm going to mix one more time, mix them together, then apply it. My remedy is a little watery, but I don't mind. Just make sure you follow the instructions. Okay, if your remedy is light or watery, just increase the powder ingredients to thicken it a little. So in case you are new here, I have so many remedies on this channel that will help your skin, that will transform your skin greatly. So if you need a very quality product for your skin that will maintain your skin, or that will brighten your skin, or that will get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, contact us through that WhatsApp I'm displaying. We have very safe products that will not cause any side effects, purely natural. Ingredients are safe. We use very good butters and some essential oils and carrier oils that will not harm your skin. No chemicals. If you see your skin glowing beautifully, contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you what you need that will match your skin, that will make your skin look beautiful. With no makeup, you look so beautiful. So go on and apply this treatment all over your face and your neck. If you want your skin to get uniform, this remedy will help you greatly. So leave it on for 10-15 minutes to dry. After that, you wash it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on for the right time. I'll be right back. So after washing it out, the next thing you have to do is to hydrate your skin. Either you use your face cream, a very good moisturizer you have, or if you don't have a good moisturizer, it's a good skincare product, you go on and make use of some light oils like rosehip oil, sunflower oil that will penetrate and make and nourish your skin and get rid of signs of aging. Like vitamin E oil is very good as well. So when you wash it out, do not pat dry. Allow some water to remain on your skin. Then get Vaseline. Vaseline is very good. Okay, if you have oily skin, you don't need to apply so much. Just a little is all you need. Okay, I always apply on my lip before anything because lip can get dry anytime. So I'll just go on and apply just a little. So even if you have oily skin, you can apply Vaseline without it clogging your pores. Just a little is all you need. Okay, so if you have dry skin, just apply the way you want. You know how your skin is, just apply. If you need more, apply more, but do not forget your lip skin. You need it to stay moisturized all the time. So after applying this remedy, so you will notice a great result. Your skin will get brighter instantly, and you notice that your skin will get smoother, very clean, like no more dullness from the first use. When you are consistent with this, you notice that your skin will be looking more firm, more supple, more uniform, and your skin will be glowing. Even without makeup, even without applying this remedy, you see your skin will be glowing all the time, because you're always treating it. So you have to make use of this remedy 3 times weekly or twice weekly to get perfect results. So go on and apply this remedy, and you see the work of coconut oil, you see the work of turmeric on your skin. Your skin will look better and better always. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and like this video. I will see you in my next video.